Hi there, my name is Wendy with Bonnette Auctions, and I want to personally thank you for choosing to bid with us. In this short tutorial, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know: how to create an account, how to place a bid, and some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of our online auctions. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create an account. Start by visiting our website at bid.bonnetteauctions.com. Once you're there, look for the Login/Register button in the upper right-hand corner of the page and click on it. If you already have an account, simply log in with your username and password. If you're new, click where it says "Click here to create an account." You'll be asked to fill out some basic information: your username, password, first name, last name, email address, date of birth, and phone number. You'll also have the option to allow text notifications from the drop-down menu, which I highly recommend so you stay up to date on all of our auction activity. Now go ahead and complete your full address as well, then click Next Step. On the next screen, you'll enter your credit or debit card information. This is required to participate in our auctions. After that, you'll be asked to read our terms and conditions for participating. Please take a moment to read through them, check the "I agree" box at the bottom, then click Submit. And just like that, your account is created. Now that you have an account, go ahead and log in using the username and password you just created. Once you're logged in, you'll find the auction you'd like to participate in and click on it to enter. For our movables auctions, things like furniture, equipment, collectibles, and more, here's how to bid. Find the item you want to bid on and click on it. You'll see a button that says Register for Auction. Go ahead and click that. Review and agree the terms and conditions of that auction, then click Place Bid. It's that simple. For our real estate auctions, the process is a little different. Before you can place a bid on a real estate item, you'll need to submit either proof of funds or a pre-approval letter from a finance company. You can still agree to the auction terms, but your account will be placed in a pending status until our team has manually reviewed and approved your documentation. Once approved, you'll be all set to bid. Now let me share a couple of tips that will help you in bidding. First, our system uses a max bid feature. When you're ready to bid, you can enter any amount you're willing to pay as long as it follows the bidding increments. That amount is completely private. No one else can see it. Our system will then automatically bid on your behalf up to that maximum amount. So even if you're not watching the auction live, you won't miss out on an item you really want. Second, our auctions have what's called a staggered close. That means items close one at a time every 30 seconds. And here's something important to know. If anyone places a bid within the last 60 seconds of an item's closing time, that item will automatically extend by an additional 60 seconds. This gives everyone a fair chance to bid, so keep an eye on those closing times. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to give us a call or send us an email. We're always happy to help. Thank you so much for bidding with Bonnette Auctions, and good luck.